We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Part 4. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. Now the extra water that had been put out, and now they had to keep pace. Pace means they had to, whatever the water was coming in, they just had to throw that water out. We could not set any sail on the main mast. They could not set any sail. Abhi bhi. Pressures on the rigging would simply pulled the damaged section of the hull apart. Now, if they had given the pressure on the rigging means ropes which are supporting the main mast. कुछ ऐसे रोप्स होते हैं जो मेन मास्ट को, जो मेन सेल होती है उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं. वो करें अगर उस पर प्रेशर दिया जाएगा, दैट विल पुल द डैमेज्ड सेक्शन ऑफ द हल अपार्ट. जो बोट का जो डैमेज्ड सेक्शन है उससे और अपार्ट हो जाएगा, वो सारा टूट जाएगा. सो वी हॉइस्टेड the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were. So they slowly set sail for the two islands. Mary found some beef and cracker biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. Meanwhile, Mary, his wife, she found corned beef, that is preserved beet, beef, meat of the buffaloes or the cow, cracker, thin salted biscuits, and they had their first meal in almost 2 days. बट आर रिस्पाइट वॉज शॉर्ट लिव्ड. बट उनका जो रिलीफ था वो बड़ा शॉर्ट लिव था, बड़ा टेम्प्रेरी था. बिकॉज एट 4 PM क्लाउड्स बिगैन टू बिल्डिंग अप बिहाइंड अस. क्योंकि 4 बजे तक दोबारा से क्लाउड्स जो है उनके पीछे बनने लगे. एंड विद इन द आवर द विंड वॉज बैक टू 40 knots एंड द सी वॉज गेटिंग हायर. और उसके सिर्फ just 1 hour after the wind again took a speed of 40 knots और सी जो है वो बहुत ऊंची होती जा रही थी. waves again became very high. The weather continued to deteriorate. Weather बड़ा worse होता गया throughout the night, and by dawn on January 5, our situation was again desperate. And they found that in the morning of January 5, उनकी जो situation है वो बड़ी dangerous हो चुकी है. When I went in to comfort the children, John asked. And when narrator again went to comfort the children, the John asked, Daddy, are we going to die? Daddy, क्या हम मर जाएंगे? I tried to assure him. Assure means make certain him that we could make it. कि शायद हम make कर जाएं, शायद हम make it means शायद they could reach the destination. And now their destination were the two islands in the vast ocean. हो ना? Pinpricks in the vast ocean. Be together, you, mummy, see you and sorry. But daddy, he went on. बट उसने कहा डैडी वी आर एंड अफ्रेड ऑफ डाइंग. हमें डर नहीं लग रहा है. इफ़ वी कैन ऑल बी टुगेदर यू एंड मम्मी सी यू एंड आई. उसने कहा अगर हम चारों साथ हैं देन वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ इवन डाइंग. सच अ कॉन्फिडेंट वर्ड्स of a child, they filled the narrator with enthusiasm. I could find no words with which to respond, and the narrator said he had no words to give response. क्या जवाब दूँ? But I left the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. I had. But वहाँ से he got a new enthusiasm, new determination. He got a new determination to fight the sea with whatever he had left now. To protect the weakened starboard side, और starboard side का जो टूट चुका था उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए I decided to heave to with the undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves. So he decided to stop the ship, right? He decided to protect क्योंकि अब कुछ बचा नहीं है तो उसने डिसाइड किया कि he will stop the ship and with the undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves. उसने जो undamaged part था बोट का उसको जो waves आ रही थी उसकी साइड करके he stopped the boat using an improvised the sea anchor of heavy nylon rope and two 22-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. And he used improvised. Improvised means whatever was there now, he just used it. उसने एक और एंकर बनाया. He tied heavy nylon rope to two 22-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. Barrels पड़े थे, बड़े बड़े vessels थे जिनमें paraffin था, जिसमें flammable substance था. उसने उसी के साथ उसको बांध दिया. एंकर एक और किया कि what to do. That evening, Mary and I sat together holding hands as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. And that evening, Mary and he, they both sat together holding hands because उन्होंने सोच लिया था कि अब हमारा एंड तो आ चुका है. और शिप जो मोशन एज द मोशन ऑफ द शिप, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे जो भी शिप मूव कर रहा था उससे ज़्यादा पानी अंदर आ रहा था. वी बोथ फेल्ट द एंड वॉज वेरी नियर एंड दे हैड दिस माइंड कि अब हमारा एंड जो है डेथ वॉज अप्रोचिंग. But Wave Walker rode out the storm, and by the morning of 6th January, with the wind easing. But luckily, Wave Walker जो है वो it rode the storm, it passed the storm, उसने storm को झेल लिया. And by the morning of 6th January, with the wind easing, wind जो है थोड़ी less severe हुई, थोड़ी सी कमज़ोर पड़ी. आई ट्राई टू गेट रीडिंग ऑन द सेक्सटेंट, और नरेटर ने जल्दी से, सेक्सटेंट एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है विच मेजर्स एंगल्स एंड डिस्टेंस, उसने उसको रीड किया. बैक इन द चार्ट रूम, ही गोज टू द चार्ट रूम. आई वर्कड ऑन विंड स्पीड्स. ही देन वर्कड ऑन द विंड स्पीड्स, उन्हें विंड स्पीड्स को देखा. Wind speeds, changes of course, drift and current in an effort to calculate our position. And very cleverly narrator had checked everything. Wind speed को check किया, changes of course उन्होंने देखा कि अगर हम अपना course, अपना direction change करेंगे, drift करेंगे, movement away wind से करेंगे, current है, उसको सबको calculate किया कि क्या position है. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65 kilometers wide island. और अपने कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से उसको लगा कि हम 150 किलोमीटर 1000 किलोमीटर्स ओशन के अंदर हैं, एंड द आइलैंड्स वर 65 kilometers somewhere. While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. And when he was thinking, Suzanne joined him. The left side of her head was now very swollen. उसका जो left side का जो head था वो बहुत ज़्यादा swollen हो चुका था. And her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. और उसकी जो काली आंखें थी, the eyes which had turned black, now they were just slits. Slits means ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे long narrow openings हैं सिर्फ. She gave me a card she had made. And so nice of her, she made a card which she gave to her father. On the front, she had written, she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words. Front पे उसने caricatures draw किए. Caricatures are funny drawings, exaggerating some features. कुछ बढ़ा चढ़ा के caricatures, funny pictures होती हैं actually. She made the drawing of Mary and the narrator. Here are some funny people. और उसने लिखा, here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? क्या ये तुम्हें हंसाएंगे? I laughed a lot as well. Inside was a message. Oh, how I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let us hope for the best. And inside she wrote, let us hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. So such a nice, again, this act, this gesture of his daughter filled him with great enthusiasm. So next, in my next video, thank you.